You know, say who Jah bless, no man can curse. You know, it's an open case. If you contest, you can open your case.
Yeah, man.
There comes Shibaba.
Yeah, man, let me
Why
tell
say
you
my
straight up.
brethren?
You know, who Jah bless, no one could never bomb buck like Kiss. But me want to tell you straight up, just give me my space. Because
Yeah, man.
I'm a human. You see me? So as long as you're a human race, just give me my space.
Yeah, man.
Because you know me, you want my space. You know, me do me thing my own style. Me could never do your style, but my thing. Because I know it's Soldier Love, and you is you. You see me? So I say big up my
man.
producer there.
A real thing. Big up Soldier Love.
Heartbeat.
High Sensi. Alongside Shibaba Baba.
Anna.
We are doing it straight, you know, man. Say, watch out for the maddest things unrolling.
Yeah, man.
2021. You better what?
That's why I tell them straight up.
Man.
Respect is not fear.
See that?
So respect those who respect we. So I say more life to those who know Jesus and God.
You know, say,
That's me.
Shimdara.
Protected.
We there.
Vaccinating. Vaccinating.
Yeah, man.
Vaccinating.
A real thing.
Prayer is the best vaccinator.
See that?
That's me. I know prayer can vaccinate.
You check it. You check it out.
That's me. Have peace. So me say, more life to you and more life to you.
Fire Ben
God
Corona.
bless the world. God bless Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man.
God bless Africa.
See that?
God bless America and everybody else.
One love.
Respect.
Check.